How to use the Ichimoku Cloud indicator? Ichimoku Cloud is a trend indicator. Apart from being designed to identify the direction of the market trend, Ichimoku Cloud may indicate price momentum and support and resistance levels. The Ichimoku Cloud indicator consists of 5 moving averages: the conversion line, the standard line, the lagging moving average, and 2 lines that form the cloud. The conversion line, originally known as Tenkan-sen, averages the highest high and the lowest low of the past 9 periods. It acts as the fastest moving average. The standard line, originally called Kijun-sen, averages the maximum and the minimum values for the last 26 periods. The standard line, also known as the baseline, acts as a dynamic support and resistance level. The 2 moving averages that form the cloud are called Senkou span A and Senkou span B. Senkou span A is the average of the conversion line and the standard line, and is plotted 26 periods ahead. Senkou span B averages the highest high and the lowest low for the past 52 periods, and is also plotted 26 periods ahead. The lagging moving average, originally known as the Chikou span, shows the closing prices for the last 26 periods. So, how to read the Ichimoku Cloud indications? As a general rule of thumb, when the cloud gets green, it may be indicative of an upcoming bullish trend. When the cloud gets red, it may be an indication of an emerging bearish trend. A bullish trend may be indicated when the candles are moving above the cloud. The candles are moving above the standard line. The conversion line is above the standard line. A bearish trend may be indicated when the candles are moving below the cloud. The candles are moving below the standard line. If the conversion line is below the standard line. If the conversion line crosses the standard line from above, it may indicate that the speed of the price change is increasing. Chikou span may provide confirmation of other indications received by the indicator. When this line is moving upwards, it may confirm a bullish market sentiment. When it is moving downwards, it may confirm a bearish market sentiment. When the Senkou span A and Senkou span B cross each other within the cloud, a Kumo twist occurs. It may indicate a potential shift in market sentiment and a possible trend reversal. To activate the Ichimoku Cloud indicator on the iqoption platform, click on the indicator's icon in the left lower corner of the chart and find Ichimoku Cloud. Check the indicator parameters in the Setup and Apply tab. If you prefer using default settings, click Apply. The indicator will be immediately activated and added to the chart. If you would like to change the indicator's settings according to your needs, do so in the same window and press Apply. The Ichimoku Cloud may be used in conjunction with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to get confirmation of its indications. However, you should keep in mind that no technical analysis tool provides 100% accurate indications. Enhance your trading now. Click the link in the video description to get access to a free demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds. Have a pleasant trading experience.